I've had a donation of this computer. I don't know what's going on with it. It's got some pretty beige looking bits in it. Floppy drive, DVD rewriter, CD rewriter. It's got one of these removable disc bays. In here we have got a 40 gig IDE hard drive, and I'll just put that back in. And then if we turn it around, we can see we have got 4 USB sockets, built-in audio, built-in graphics, but there's also a graphics card here. If you want to leave a comment and guess what graphics card it's going to be. It does have DVI, VGA and S-Video, so it could be something reasonable. We don't know what the power supply is, but it does have these quick screw things here, thumb screws, so let's have a look what's inside. Okay, we've got an AMD system. We've got a SATA hard drive. Ah, look, we've got a SATA here. Interesting. So these top two things aren't connected. Just this one here. We've got a 350 watt. What does that say? Tsunomi power supply. Not heard of them. We've got power connected there, so I don't know whether it's going to work, but let us plug in a power supply tester. That is where I like to start from testing systems that I'm not familiar with. So we will plug this in. Okay. Oh yeah, we've also powered up the hard drive here and this drive here. Let's see if there's anything in there. It doesn't want to open. But we've got a working power supply, so let's connect this up and power it up. Just going to have a quick look at the graphics card. That spins, so that's good. ATI. On the back it says there's an ATI Radeon 9000 Pro 64 meg DDR, DVI and TV, and that's an ATP card. The motherboard is a Gigabyte GA-K8V M800M-RH. So we've got 2 sticks of RAM. Okay, so we have connected up the monitor, we've connected up keyboard and mouse, plugged in the power. We're going to try the power button, see what we get. We've got the beep, which is what you want. It's a Sempron 3000 with 2 gigs of RAM. That's decent. It's booting up into Windows XP. Got a fairly loud, I'm guessing, fan on the graphics card. I've just used a paperclip technique to open them, and there is nothing inside. they don't want to close either. Oh, the top one does. Top one closed okay. But no, they don't open. Oh, it's decided it wants to open the bottom one. Ooh. Is it meant to look like that? I think it is. We just need to wait for the USB to wake up. So we've got the DVD rewriter to open and close. The CD rewriter does not want to open and close. And the disk drive is a Western Digital 1600, so I'm guessing that's 160 gig. Yep. The processor is a single core. Should we have a look in the BIOS? That's what we should have done first, really. PC health status, temperature fine, now all the voltages are fine. It's even got the correct date and roughly the right time. Nothing much to report there. Let's just check the graphics card. And the graphics card is a Connect 3D Radeon 9000 Pro. Built-in sound is Realtek AC97 via Rhine 2 fast Ethernet adapter. Pretty standard looking stuff. As this system's got a decent graphics card, or rather a separate graphics card, and all the drivers are installed and working, I thought I would run a quick 3D Mark benchmark with 3D Mark 2000 just to sort of give a rough performance, and also to make sure that the graphics card is working correctly. So we've got a 3D Mark 2000 score of 10,781, and that's reasonable. That's not too bad. Pretty good actually. So yeah, nice system. Running a quick benchmark on 3D Mark 2001. Because why not? And because I was a little bit impressed by the performance in 3D Mark 2000. Okay, we've got a score in 3D Mark 2001 of 8,300, and that's a pretty decent score. I'm just having a look at my other systems. Ah, yeah. My other system that I've been testing, this is slightly lower, but again, different processor, different graphics card, etc. But it all seems to be working pretty flawlessly.